What's up, easy people? It's your girl again, Naomi, the actress, guys. How many planets do we have on Earth?
Actually,
I can't remember.
Most likely 6, but I'm not sure.
Equator, Saturn.
Sasa,
Poa sana.
mi naitwa Naomi, actress. Wewe unaitwa nani?
Mi naitwa Daniel. Lakini kabla hatujaongea, siwache nitoe hii kabla nisikae kama ni wao.
Usikae. We, sawa. So, niko na swali.
Look at this.
How many planets do we have on Earth?
We have 9 planets.
Can you mention them?
I can. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Whoever gave you this idea?
Earth umemention ya ngapi?
Ya tatu.
Ya tatu. So we have 9 planets on Earth.
Yes.
Okay. Na umemention Earth. Auoni kuna shida mahali?
Hakuna shida.
This person is either raving mad or this person is a nincompoop without an atom of sense.
Uko sure? Mimi nataka kukupatia chance kufikiria tena.
Niko sure there are 9 planets.
On
Earth.
Earth.
Yes.
We? Uko sure? So sahi hata ukapewa 50,000 uambiwe uconfirm kama uko sure, wewe uko sure hiyo 15 yako.
Funka!
Mi najua ziko 9.
Ziko 9
Yeah.
on Earth.
Yeah.
So basically we have just one planet on Earth, which is Earth. Earth is a planet.
No, we have 9 planets, but Earth is one of them.
But I asked
One
you,
of those
how many
9.
planets do we have on Earth? Earth is a planet.
Yeah.
How many planets do we have on Earth?
What?
Naitwa nani?
Hey.
I talk. Liz.
Liz. So nauliza, how many planets do we have on Earth?
5.
Unaweza mention?
I can't remember.
Ni kitambo.
Star.
Star? Mercury star?
Mimi
Star ya pili.
Mimi nishasahau hata.
Ebu mention zile tu utakumbuka, ina shida.
Na planet.
You say?
Planet.
Umemention Mercury, star na planet. Gani ingine?
I can't remember those others.
Come. Hey, please.
Hizo tatu tu. Oh, hakuna ingine?
Nasahau.
Okay, so basically
Unanitakuja kuonekana na
So we have just one planet on Earth, which is Earth.
Huh?
With Earth.
Umeuliza hata ama
Nimeuliza Earth.
umeuliza aje kweli?
How many planets do we have on Earth?
Oh.
How many planets do we have on Earth?
Most likely 6, but I'm not sure. Likely 6.
Mention them.
Okay, there is Earth, that is Mars, that is Mercury, that is Venus, that is Jupiter. I can't remember the rest.
So the first one you said was?
The first one I said was Earth.
And in which, how many planets do we have on Earth?
On Earth?
Yeah.
No, we don't have planets on Earth.
Yeah, Earth is a planet. Sasa,
Poa.
unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Steven Maethia.
Steven Maethia. Oh, so Steven, niko na swali.
It's about to go down.
How many planets do we have on Earth?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
7.
Unaweza mention kadhaa zile unajua?
Equator, Saturn.
Hey!
Equator?
Saturn, Earth.
Wait a minute. Who are March.
Ardhi.
March.
Give me just one confirmation again.
March.
March.
Yuri.
Yuri.
Ndio. Ni hizo zenye najua.
Yuri, Ardhi, Saturn. Kuna ingine umemention Equator, Jupiter.
Pluto.
Will judge you.
Pluto. Oh. Umesema Ardhi.
Ndio.
Ardhi ni ya ngapi?
Ardhi ni ya 5.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue.
All I want